Japan. Japan island country lying off the east coast of Asia. It consists of a large string of islands in the northeast southwest that stretches for approximately 1,500 miles through the western North Pacific Oceans. Nearly the entire land area is taken up by the country. Four main islands from north to south. These are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest of the four, followed in size by Hokkaido, Kyushu and Shikoku. In addition, there are numerous smaller islands, the major group of which are Ryukyu Island. To the south and west of Kyushu and the Isobonian and Volcano Island to the south and east of central Honshu. The national capital Tokyo is East Central Honshu is one of the world's most populous cities. The Japanese landscape is rugged with more than 4/5 of island surface consisting of mountains. There are many active and dormant volcanic including Mountain Fuji, which at an elevation of 12,388 feet is Japan's highest mountains. Abundant precipitation and that generally mild temperatures throughout most of country have produced a lush vegetation covers, and despite the mountainous terrain and generally poor soils, have made it possible to raise a variety of crops. Japan has a large and to a great extent ethnically homogeneous population which is heavily concentrated in the low-lying areas along the Pacific coast of Honshu. Japan is bounded to the west by the Sea of Japan, which separated it from the eastern shores of South and North Korea or southwestern Russia. To the north by La Perouse Straits, separating it from Russian-held Sakhalin Island by the Sea of Okhotsk. To the northeastern by the southern Kuril Islands. To the east by south by the Pacific and the southwest by the East China Sea, which separates it from China. The island of the Shimya lies between northwestern Kyushu and southwestern South Korea and defines the Korea Strait on the Korean sides and the Shimya Strait on the Japanese side. To the mountains are divided into many small land blocks that are separated by lowland or deep settlers. There is no long or continuous mountain range. These land blocks are the result of intense faulting and warping. The former process is regarded as dominant. Soils of Japan. The soil of Japan are customarily divided from northeast to southwest into a weak Podolsk zone, a brown earth zone, and a red earth zone. There are some local varieties. The northern half of the Tokyo or of northern Honshu is included in the area of brown forest soils. The northern tip of Hokkaido is classed as a subzone of Podolsk soils. The remainders of the island is included in the subzones of the acidic brown forest soils. Most western Honshu is a transitional soils. Yellow-brown forest soils extend along the Pacific coast from southern Tokyo to southern Kyushu, while red and yellow soils are confined to the Ryukyu land. The wheat-spaced reddish soils are generally regarded as the product of a former, warmer, more humid climate. Amateur volcanic ash soils occurs on the uplands.